Hey Vikas, how long should I stay invested in a mutual fund?
That depends on your financial goals, Sapna. Mutual funds may work best when you stay invested for the long term.
So I shouldn't sell if the market goes up or down.
Not necessarily. Short-term market movements are normal. The key is to stay invested and let compounding work its magic.
But what if I need the money?
That's why goal-based investing is important. If you're investing for the long term, like retirement or wealth creation, sticking to the plan matters.
Got it. Stay invested, stay patient, and let the money work for me.
Exactly, Sapna. Time in the market beats timing the market. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.